guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you a part of my channel. For the current subscribers, welcome back. So I'm gonna have like breakfast for dinner. We're gonna make some waffles with strawberries and whipped cream, some cheese, eggs, and sausage. So I'm about to mix this mix up. So I'm just gonna eye this because yeah, I'm not one of these people. I don't really measure a lot of stuff. I normally just kind of try to look at it and see. But I need to have enough to make at least 2 waffles. I'm also gonna add some let me just put that right there. Add some buttermilk to it. This hasn't been opened. Let's see. So I'm just gonna mix it up and just see if that's sure. Yeah, instead of adding water, if you add like buttermilk, sometimes you might can even add heavy cream on it, to be honest. And you'll definitely be able to tell the difference. It's gonna taste a lot better. Okay, a lot better. I don't know if it's gonna be enough for 2 waffles, but hopefully so. If not, it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna it looks like it's already plugged up. Oh, it's already hot. Okay. Okay, so just so it don't stick or whatever, I'm going to add some butter spray to the top and to the bottom. It's already hot. For some reason, I don't think this is going to be enough for both of them, but we shall see. Oh, it might be. Okay. So I'm gonna let that cook a little while and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I'm about to turn on this eye. Let me get some butter out the fridge. And think I left. I'll check in a second. And y'all, I'm gonna tell you, I do not buy margarine, nor do I cook with it. And people that do, you know, that's on you, but I probably wouldn't. Because if you think about it, and this is what I always say, if you think about it, like, if you look on the back of the ingredient label for margarine, I guarantee you half of the items or the ingredients on it, you don't even know what it is. Like, and that's my problem with margarine. Like, I don't use it. So I'm just gonna melt this butter. It's probably like a tablespoon of butter. I already put some salt, pepper, garlic powder, maybe like a half a tablespoon of heavy cream, salt, pepper, garlic, heavy cream, and some cheese. Now, I didn't measure the cheese. I just kind of eyed it. So it might have a little bit too much for you, but it's perfect for me. I also sliced up I put some strawberries in a Cold Stone strawberry sauce. So this is gonna go on top of the waffles, and I will show it after I get done. Okay, so that is good. So now I'm just going I know some people that have never had breakfast for dinner time, but this is long overdue. And so I kind of decided to do it because I know it was going to be pretty fast. So I'm just going to let these eggs cook, and then I'll come back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I'm just about to make up these waffles. Okay. I'm gonna try to make it kind of pretty, okay. So this is like some strawberry pieces that I actually put in some I think it's Cold Stone Brewery, their strawberry sauce. So let's see. I said I didn't want those. I didn't want the strawberries on my eggs, but it looked like they on my eggs. Before I did that, I tried to find, when I went to the store, find a place that okay. So what you can see what it looked like. So it's just two waffles, some cheese eggs, one piece of sausage. So I definitely, hopefully you all enjoyed this video. Leave me a like and a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.